Hi guys, welcome back to Myra's Skincare Health and Beauty. Today I'm here with another remedy that you can make in your own kitchen for whitening hands and feet. So without further ado, let's get started. I've taken a glass bowl and I've added 2 tablespoons of shampoo. You can use any kind of shampoo that is available to you. It doesn't necessarily have to be of any sort. Then I have added 3 whitening capsules. These are available to you through any pharmacy, or if they're not available at a pharmacy, you can also just order them online. I've just taken 3 of them and I've cut them up and I'm squeezing them into the shampoo. Next up, we're going to be taking half a teaspoon of a turmeric. Turmeric is known to remove tan. It is known to help with dark spots. It's known to be a very popular ingredient in a lot of whitening and brightening remedies. So please make sure you use that. Then I've added half a teaspoon of baking soda. This also will just help as a bleaching sort of agent in our remedy. And then the next and last ingredient I have added is lemon juice, which is about half a teaspoon. Again, in conjunction with the baking soda, this will create a really nice bleaching sort of agent for you for your hands and your feet. And you want to make sure you are properly combining all these ingredients and they will turn into a nice thick paste like the one that you can see on screen. You also want to make sure, guys, you're subscribing to my channel for latest videos. For any sort of problem you've got, we will address that. Now I've just taken this paste and I've applied it to my hands and feet. You can use this for up to 8 minutes and leave it on for even up to 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it off with cold water. As you guys can see in the video, I have taken the paste that we have made and I'm applying it all over my hand. You can even apply it all the way up to your arm and on your feet as well. And then once you've applied it with your hands, then you're going to take a lemon peel. You can even use the one that you've used to make this paste and just massage it onto the paste on your arm or on your feet. And this will sort of act as a 2-in-1. This will give you more improved results when you're using it with the lemon peel because, as I said before, the lemon has bleaching agents in it, so it kind of gives you a double effect. So once you keep doing this for about 8 to 10 minutes, you can leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it off with cold water and you will instantly see results. You can even do this on one arm and just compare it with the other and you will see that the results are marvelous. Also, guys, you want to make sure to subscribe to my channel because I will be posting more videos like this. I have posted lots of videos, so make sure to check those out as well. And let me know if you guys want to see more videos in English because I would love to accommodate for a wider audience. Also, leave me a comment down below in the comment section telling me what sort of videos you guys want to see, what sort of remedies I can do for you. And with that being said, I would love to see you guys in my next video. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.